Hello, good morning. I hope you all are healthy and safe. Myself, Hatisha Patel from Mascot be the best. Today I am going to give you the second lesson on PTE Speaking module first task called Read Aloud. Read Aloud is very important task for your PTE exam, and it will give you maximum marks in your speaking section as well as in your reading section. So, here I am going to provide you some tips to improve your read aloud. Okay, so here I am going to give you to provide you some tips for read aloud. So, before providing you tips, I will explain you how read aloud is look like. Read aloud is a simple text which is combination of 3 or 4 sentences, and basically you are given 30 to 40 seconds to read the text, understand it and prepare your response. After this you are given 40 seconds to record your response. So when you are recording your response, what you need to be aware of is I am going to provide you some tips. So for that, content, fluency and pronunciation is very much important. So how would you know your content is correct, your fluency is there and pronunciation is there? So content, that means read the text exactly what have been written in the text, and do not add or remove any word in the text. Okay, just read whatever written in the text and ask yourself, have you included all the words as per the given text? If yes, then your content is good enough. Fluency. So are you able to speak in normal and moderate pace? If yes, then good. And what is oral fluency? So oral fluency is called by checking your rhythm, phrasing and stress or smoothness in your word. So when you speak fluently and you're without any kind of hesitation. Repetition and hesitation will reduce your score. So always remember this. Whenever you read the text, do not repeat the word and do not hesitate. Read in one go. Okay, then pronunciation. So pronunciation, that means the normal speaker of that language can easily understand what you are saying. That means your pronunciation is good enough. So ask yourself, are you able to demonstrate the proper speech sound at the normal speaker of the language? If yes, then good. Always read clearly as much as you can. Read with natural voice. Pronunciation is important, so do pronounce word correctly. Read smoothly and fluently without any kind of hesitation. Do not add or omit the word. Read exactly what have been written in the text to get good marks in your content. Read newspapers to improve the fluency level. So it is good exercise, and it is good if you just improve your reading skill by reading newspaper. And take deep breath before start reading. So you do not have to take unnecessarily pause to take the breath. Okay, and after finishing the read aloud, click on next button immediately. So you can avoid the unnecessary voice which is going to record in your microphone. So whenever you finish, just click on next and you will provide it with the another read aloud. And in your exam, you will get 6 or 7 read alouds. So follow these tips and do read aloud. I'm 100% sure you will improve upon your read aloud, and it will help you to gain good score in your speaking as well as in your reading. So do practice and improve upon it and follow these tips. Okay, let's do the practice of word read aloud. So in your real exam, you provided with this kind of text and you have 30 to 40 seconds to prepare your response. For example, I do restart. I can see here the second start. So in your preparation time, you need to read the text out and just make sure where is the S and ES and ED. Like I read this out. The brain is divided into two hemispheres called the left and right hemispheres. Each hemisphere provides a different set of functions, behaviors, and controls. The right hemisphere is often called the creative side of the brain, while the left hemisphere is the logical or analytical side of the brain. The right hemisphere controls the left side of the body, and the left hemisphere controls the right side. Okay, I am ready. The brain is divided into two hemispheres called the left and the right hemispheres. Each hemisphere provides a different set of functions, behaviors, and controls. The right hemisphere is often called the creative side of the brain, while the left hemisphere is the logical or analytical side of the brain. The right hemisphere controls the left side of the body, and the left hemisphere controls the right side. As soon as you finish your read aloud, you just need to click on next. And make sure you go with the flow. And if you make any mistake in between, please do not hesitate, do not think about it, let it go and keep reading, and it will help you, because we all are human being and we make mistake. But do not stick on the mistake, just leave it and keep reading. And this is the way to do read aloud. And we all have the different level of reading, so with the practice you can get there and you can improve your fluency. Okay, and I'm sure you all are able to get your desired score, so keep practicing. Finally, I have provided you with the tips and one example of read aloud. So please follow these and improve your band score by following these tips, and do lots of practice, because practice is essential whatever you do. So once you just do enough practice, you just gain so much confidence, and your confidence will help you to get you the desired band score. So please continue practice, and if you need any help, please comment in the comment box. And in my next video, I am going to teach you the next session of PTE speaking section, which is a repeat sentence. So I will provide you all the tips which I have, and these tips are working. So trust on it and work on it, and please remember and follow it. Thank you.